So, what happened? Something stopped.
Put your hands up.
No.
What?
I said no.
Why not?
I don't want to.
So, we should just change a couple of things here. Because we have our event here and we don't have any parentheses in front of that, we should just say that for our lists, just add event listener for click and then change head. We want to just do it because of the process of the JavaScript is line by line till the end. We should just focus on what just change head do for all of the list, and then we use our for to do it again. So it's one problem that we solve, but it's not just enough. We should just follow our event listener, follow that exact event that is happened, and without any argument here, we don't know that. We should just use event or e in this in the argument of change head. So with defining that, we can find the event that already happening. So when we do our e here, our event here, we should just use an if for comparing. If is li is we want to use it. If not, it's not our really it's not our what we want. So if e dot target, our target means which tag we are in, and then we use node name. Node name means a kind of for example li or ul, it's name of the tag. If this is equal is kind of compared to two type that is exactly the same, and use li. Then we want to just do it all of this stuff, just that. I want to do it with if. We want a couple of change in the other statement, because this is target for our lists. It's not what we want. We want to just our event that exactly event is happening. So our if is going to change our this. So this is e.target .inner HTML. It's true, and before that we use, instead of list li, it's not correct for us anymore because we want to follow our event. So e.target .parent node. Parent node needs all the parents what we want, and then when it's figured that the parents, I want to list children in array, and we want to just specific one by one. I forgot to delete that list dot, it's not correct. We want to e dot target dot parent node dot children dot length. We want to all of the children of our target. You know, it's not complicated. Just look at it as your English ability to do it. Children of the parent node, we want to target them and just get back the length, just that. And just don't forget to save it. And this is not correct either. We should just use e.target dot class list add active. So give it a try. What are we doing here? Is it really correct? Not working either.
But I've got a gun.
I don't care.
Doesn't make any sense.
Too bad.
Why? You don't have any error? Let's just capitalize. Refresh. It's working new, you know? So it's important that you know that lowercase and uppercase in JavaScript is very sensitive, and JavaScript important. Yeah, give the really importance to capital letters. You should know that when you use node name, you should use capitalized. Just remember that. After using a lot and a lot, you will understand it. You don't need to just memorize all of it. Just need to engage your brain, and your brain do it for yourself. Just go through that and trust yourself. But practice and practice and practice is the key. So one last thing we want to in our project is what? Is kinda just added the number dynamically at the end of the new of our title. It's very exciting. Let's do that. We're going to add code. So in kind of when we want to add something new, we want to just add the one variable that is dynamically changed while it's going to add it equally. So we use var count default is 1 because we want to start from 1. We should just take over on that, and this it starts again, and we should counter in the meantime. And we want to just, because we don't have any loop here, we want to, when we add new item, our counter is going to plus plus counter added one by one. So let's give it a try. Counter is not defined. We have some error. Add new item. Counter not defined. HTML element add new item. Sorry, we have a kind of mistake. It's count. I don't know why I imagine counter. It's count, and it's going to work like that. Mistakes always happen. You don't have to just criticize yourself, or for example justify for not continuing. Everything is going to well. You should just keep going, keep practicing, and everything is going to do worthwhile on time for you. Just you should always keep practicing and be creative. So this course is over, and I cannot believe that how simple we can do it in application, you know. And just don't forget to follow me and subscribe me, like me, even when you don't like this video, unlike it, and tell your idea about how I keep going and do something better for you. I will just researching for another topic soon, and I will be back with you. And always keep practicing, keep creative, keep open mind. Good luck.